We will find the largest angle of a triangle whose sides are 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 12 centimeters. We will proceed step by step and use the law of cosines. Step 1. The largest angle is opposite the longest side. Here the longest side is 12. The angle opposite that side is the largest. Let's call it angle C. Step 2. Write the law of cosines. For a triangle with sides A, B, and C, and angle C opposite side C, C squared equals a squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. Here we set it equals 6, B equals 8, and C equals 12. Step 3. Substitute the values. 12 squared equals 6 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 6 times 8 times cosine C. Compute the squares to get 144 equals 36 plus 64 minus 96 cosine C. Step 4. Solve for cosine C carefully, one step at a time. First, combine 36 and 64. That gives 100. So we have 144 equals 100 minus 96 cosine C. Next, subtract 100 from both sides to get 44 equals negative 96 cosine C. Finally, divide by negative 96 to get cosine C equals negative 11 over 24. Step 5. Take the arc cosine. Angle C equals arc cos of negative 11 over 24. Using a calculator in degree mode, angle C is approximately 117.28 degrees. Recap. Longest side 12 points to the largest angle C. Apply the law of cosines. Substitute, simplify, and solve for cosine C. Take arc cos to get approximately 117.28 degrees. Final answer. The largest angle is approximately 117.28 degrees.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MyVerse Maths.